It was a comfortable Thursday night, and my roommate had fallen asleep. The clock said 12, so I decided to lie down on my bed and continue looking through Facebook and Instagram. I look at my watch again. Oh God, it's already 2 in the morning. I put my phone away and forced myself to sleep. My eyes had gradually opened before my right hand grabbed my phone. I thought it was 5 or 6 in the morning. But no, it's 2:14. I couldn't sleep for some reason, so I started looking through Facebook and Instagram again. Unfortunately, I heard a strange noise that came to both of my ears.
มีตาลตะโนดอยู่
It was a very loud, echoing, cold voice of a female who was singing traditional Thai songs for her baby. I was covered in my blanket from tip to toe. I paid all my attention to my phone and tried not to let any part of my body out.